A good design for me is something that evokes some kind of human emotion and human contact with the product they're in touch with. The eye appeal of something and how beautiful it looks, the aesthetic, is obviously always there and always a constant need. But above all, I think whatever we produce and whatever the design from my part is striving to fulfill that need that a customer has and hit home a real functional aspect. My design process typically starts with the piece of paper and a sketch, really just thrashing out a rough appreciation for form and proportion. Once that balance has been struck on how well it looks, working within the parameters of what we're trying to achieve, that process will then very quickly move on to 3D CAD. It's on paper that the ideas start, but it's only really in the CAD that the ideas develop and flourish into something tangible, something that we can actually use. And it makes the whole process of just modifying a proportion or a dimension so quick and easy to quickly rationalise exactly what the essence of what we're trying to do is, and then carrying that forward onto discussions with our prototype workshops and some of our craftsmen. The inspiration behind Vantage as a collection was tapping into all the skill and experience that we have at hands using timber. It was looking at addressing a common language that could carry through the workplace, a more soft feel of product, a feel that tapped into the beauty of wood, the tactility of wood, and how people gather around a surface or a product to communicate or collaborate. So from the very early stage, the whole purpose of Vantage was to create different platforms of working, hence we have 3 different heights. And along with those, there's an entire family of products that can populate through a particular workplace with one common language. If I was to sum up design in one word, I'd probably choose excellence, because the design must perform. It must satisfy a need. For me, design is about taking on board all these aspects and notions floating around and converting it into something that is essentially the perfect solution for a given task.